Today's cake is the rich, super moist chocolate cake with ganache. So let's check out how I made. So first preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. In a bowl I am shifting dry ingredients first. So I am taking flour and cocoa powder. Corn flour and milk powder, baking soda and baking powder with a pinch of salt. I am saving the whole dry ingredients for proper mix. You can mix with the whisker. I am taking the sieve. Mix all until combined well or no granules left. So my dry ingredients are ready. So next will be wet ingredients. In a bowl I am using room temperature butter with sugar. It's a powdered sugar. Now adding oil for the good texture. Mix all till creamy type texture. Now add milk and mix all together. Just for few minutes or it will well combine. Now I am adding vanilla, or you can add chocolate essence or extract if you have. Next I am mixing wet ingredients and dry ingredients. Mix all together in a batches. Just mix all until well combined. If you find it a little dry, then please add 2-3 spoons of milk or water. Now our cake batter is ready. So preparing the baking pan. So I am taking round pans and greasing it with butter. You can line bottoms with parchment paper. Now it's ready. Now divide the batter between two round pans. Look at this chocolatey texture. So now it's ready for bake. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius